Good morning everybody, it's the 19th of December and let's have a look outside what the weather's doing. It's drizzly with rain, but it's not cold at all. It's like, I think it's like nearly 10 degrees, which is global warming in full effect. So we've got all our bikes out because it's hopefully going to dry up a little bit later. Someone did ask in the comments, don't they go rusty? You never see this, but I dry them off every night and reapply some lube on them. So don't forget, reserve your bike for Christmas. There is just 6 days till Christmas according to the snowman. So what are my plans for today? Okay, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on that's up here is the offending bell, can you see it? Bloody thing. It's just there, that is the offending bell. So, today I'm going to try and concentrate on number one, starting a task that I'm going to do while the shop's shut for Christmas, which is going through everything, and if it's rubbish I'm going to throw it away. So like if it's rusty or it's not on display and hasn't been on display, just, you know what I mean. So I'm going to concentrate on that, but my first two jobs is, one is to give one of the bikes we sold that's being picked up tomorrow a good clean, and the other is to fit some grips. It's basically and clean it and just basically, you know, just get on top of it. So that is my strategy, at least for this morning. And then this afternoon is my birthday yesterday, so I was lucky enough to get a smart trainer. So this afternoon I'm going to set up my pain cave to start my 2024 project, which I'll tell you more about then, but I'm going to try and set it up. That's going to be my plan, check everything works, see if I need to buy anything else to go with it, but that is my plan, to set up a pain cave this afternoon. So it's quite a relaxed day. Don't forget, at the end of each video we've got a little letter that you can read, so make sure you watch till the end. To our new subscribers, welcome. It's great to have you with us. I hope you're enjoying the content, and if you're watching this and haven't subscribed, we'd love to have you on board. We've got big plans for this channel next year, lots of product reviews, competitions, and daily diaries, lots of bike tips and several other things. I've got big plans. So I'm going to put the kettle on, let's get into this. So I washed the bikes, I've fitted some new grips to this Boardman team, and that's been cleaned for the customer, and also the Shockwave, the XJ920. I'll give it a clean for the customer because they're picking it up hopefully tomorrow. So that's what I've been doing this morning. I pressure washed some bikes, ready to go, and I pressure washed the last bike I'm going to build, the 2024. Big milestone. Shop's looking full, so I'm going to concentrate really quickly on tidying this place up because, well, it needs it. here now, so I need to do a little bit on the computer and then I'm going for lunch. So I will see you probably after lunch. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're trying to build a really nice community of people interested in bike shops and bikes and recycling, and we've got big plans. So I'm going to get on with what I've got to do, and then I'll be back this afternoon. So I'm back from lunch, and a few moments ago I sold the British Eagle Mexicana to a young lad who's just come to the UK from Sudan. So that's going to be his bike, and then I have been busy setting up my Saris M2 turbo trainer, my smart turbo trainer, and setting it up with Ruby, which is where I'm going to do my training for the new year. I've got this little ANT adapter so the computer can connect up to this, and I've got a fan that I brought with me, and this is going to be where my indoor training starts. Obviously not on this bike, it'll be on my road bike. This one is just to test the equipment. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll do a review on those bits and pieces in the next few weeks. Thank you so much if you've already subscribed, we really do appreciate it, and if you haven't, we'd love it if you joined and clicked the notification bell. And if you could, if you enjoy our videos, please click like. It means the world to us that our videos are what's the word I'm looking for, that people are enjoying our content. So we'll see you tomorrow on the 20th of December. But that's it for today. Have a nice evening. Speak to you soon.